4 decades, older adults were given one clear warning: do not eat too many eggs. Doctors and health experts believed egg yolks contained dangerous amounts of cholesterol that could increase the risk of heart disease and heart attacks. Because of this fear, millions of people, especially seniors, completely removed eggs from their daily diet. But today, modern science is telling a very different story. Researchers now understand that the cholesterol found in food, known as dietary cholesterol, does not affect the body the way scientists once believed. In fact, for most healthy people, eating eggs has very little impact on blood cholesterol levels. And that changes everything. Because eggs may actually be one of the most nutritious and affordable foods for adults over the age of 50. As we grow older, the body slowly begins to lose muscle mass and strength. This natural process is known as sarcopenia. It is one of the main reasons many seniors begin to feel weaker, lose balance, struggle with stairs, or become more vulnerable to falls and injuries. To slow this process down, the body needs high-quality protein. Eggs are packed with complete protein and contain all the essential amino acids the body needs for muscle repair. One of the most important amino acids found in eggs is leucine, which plays a major role in maintaining muscle strength and helping the body rebuild tissue. Many older adults struggle to eat enough protein because meat can become difficult to chew or digest with age. Eggs offer a simple, soft, and affordable solution that is easy for the body to absorb. But the benefits of eggs do not stop with muscle health. They may also support the brain and memory. Egg yolks contain a nutrient called choline, which is essential for brain function. The body uses choline to produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory, focus, and learning. Studies suggest that many older adults do not get enough choline in their daily diet. Over time, low intake may affect mental sharpness and cognitive performance. Adding eggs regularly to the diet may help provide the brain with the nutrients it needs to stay active and focused as we age. Eggs can also support eye health. As people grow older, the risk of vision problems, such as cataracts and macular degeneration, becomes much higher. Egg yolks contain 2 powerful antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients collect in the retina and help protect the eyes from age-related damage caused by sunlight and oxidative stress. One interesting fact is that the body absorbs these antioxidants from eggs extremely well, sometimes even better than from vegetables. Eggs are also rich in several vitamins and minerals that many seniors are commonly low in. One of them is vitamin D, which is important for strong bones, immune support, and calcium absorption. Since bones naturally become weaker with age, getting enough vitamin D becomes increasingly important. Eggs also contain vitamin B12, selenium, and iodine. Vitamin B12 helps maintain healthy nerves, supports energy production, and assists in forming red blood cells. As people age, the stomach becomes less efficient at absorbing vitamin B12 from food, which is one reason fatigue and weakness are so common in older adults. Selenium helps protect cells from damage, while iodine supports healthy thyroid function and metabolism. Of course, this does not mean everyone should suddenly start eating large amounts of eggs every single day. Some individuals are more sensitive to dietary cholesterol than others. In medical science, these people are known as hyperresponders. In addition, anyone with certain heart conditions, kidney disease, or other medical concerns should always speak with a doctor before making major dietary changes. The way eggs are cooked also matters. Boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled eggs are generally much healthier than eggs fried in heavily processed oils or served alongside highly processed foods. Healthy preparation methods help preserve nutrients while avoiding unnecessary fats and additives. So, are eggs really unhealthy? Modern research suggests that for many older adults, eggs may actually be one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. They support muscles, brain function, eye health, bones, and overall strength, all in one simple and affordable food. Sometimes the foods people feared the most turn out to be the foods the body needed all along. As always, balance is important, and it is best to follow your doctor's advice based on your personal health needs.